Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello, welcome from Frankfurt to that quick review, or let's call it tutorial, about the door which we have at the GoPro at the site since the GoPro Hero 8. So all the GoPros in the past, they had two doors. One at the bottom side, which consists of the battery compartment, so as a different slot for the memory card. And since the GoPro Hero 8, we do only have a single compartment, which covers the battery, so as the memory card. The problem here is, some people might be afraid, while they're using the camera, keeping the door open, that the battery may fall off and they wouldn't be able to charge the camera at the same time. So I do have a solution for that, and that's what we're going to cover in this video. To get rid of the door of the GoPro Hero 9, we do need to open it and just push it a bit harder to the top. And there we go. The door is away now from the GoPro. To get it back on, just push it back in until you hear that click and close it again. But now we need to get rid of it once again to being able to take on a different door. Impressive! I didn't know that we're getting two doors in that package. Sweet. So take one of these doors, make sure the hole for the USB Type-C port is at the bottom, click it in, and there we go. Now, to get rid of it, push it, and now you have access to the battery again. So just push it in once again. Now, since the battery and the memory compartment are covered with a new door, you can take a USB Type-C cable, take a power bank, and charge the camera as long as you want. It can also be with a direct current to be able to do, let's say, a time lapse for 20 hours or so without changing the battery. Thanks for your attention. The link of these doors is listed in the video description below. If you would like to support my channel, feel free to buy it from the video description below. All the best from Frankfurt, Germany. Tschüss und bis bald.